So this is my Daiso Canada haul. Got a little bit of everything. I just couldn't get too much big stuff because it wouldn't fit back in my luggage. So I'm gonna show you guys. These are Disney stickers. Super cute. I love the little pineapple Mickey. So cute. I got 2 of those. I got these unicorn stickers from my mom because she loves unicorns. I got 2 of these as well. And they're like 3D stickers, puffy stickers. I got these heart little like gem pearls. And they're like in a baby rose pink and like a pearly white. They're called decoration seals. And everything in the Daiso Canada is $2, 2 Canadian dollars. And I got these. So cool. I wish I would have got another one. So there's like the moon in gold and the stars in gold and the moon and the stars in silver. And these are called fancy stickers. I got these cherry blossoms. I got 2 of them. This other cherry blossoms with like gold foiling. I prefer the other one. That's why I got 2. I got 1 of these just to be, you know, different. This one is called Millennial Pink. It's really cute, girly, totally me. This one as well, got it for myself. It's like lips to say hello, lemon. The little heart candies from like Valentine's Day. It says kiss me, a heart, a coffee mug, and okay. And these are still like sticky notes as well. So more Disney. These are like Mickey Mouse. And then princesses. Their princesses like in the Daiso line are kind of like pastel. I'll show you like other things I got from my little cousin that are princesses pastel. So now we have like the little flake seal stickers. These are the Winnie the Pooh ones. And they're just like little like stickers and like you peel the back off. They're called like little flake stickers. And these are the designs that it comes with. It reminds me kind of like a little Sherlock Holmes Pooh Bear or something like that. And then we have these girly ones. They're kind of like foiled metallic or hollow. Yeah, hollow. So they have like a perfume, a lipstick, a music note, a rainbow, a kiss, OMG, and like a popsicle. And so they're all kind of like hollow. And then we have these. Also girly, but they're like gold foiled. Oh, this one you don't see that they're in the back. But it's like a rainbow, a popsicle, a heel with a heart. And there's these called the happiness stickers. They're like see-through with like gold foiling and like pastel colors. There are these. It's a unicorn. It's kind of like a party set, like a birthday. Cupcake, a bow, present, balloons, cake, a cat, a rabbit, and a bouquet of flowers. There's also this one. This is like a makeup girly. You can see right there. I think it tells you that. So it has like the makeup brush, perfume, like a nice single shadow, magical. Sorry, it says be magical. It's an eyeshadow palette, a heel, a mascara, like a lip gloss. Yeah, like a lip gloss, polish, and just like a little thing to write notes on. That one and that one. So there's that one. That's kind of like my favorite. It's so me, girly makeup. This is another one of the Winnie the Pooh. That's my brother's. We also got the Monsters Inc. So it comes with those. Each one comes with like, so this is 10 designs, 6 pieces. For these, let me go back and check these. This also has 10 designs, 6 pieces. This one is 40 pieces, 10 designs. This is 80 pieces, and it doesn't tell you how many of each. Oh, I think it's 10. No. Yeah. 10 designs, 80 total. I don't seem to find it on this one. This one has 60 pieces. 16 designs. Okay. And then we have these cute Minnie Mouse ones. These are 10 designs, 5 pieces. Well, no. I guess you get 5 of each, so 50. Sorry. And there's this one. It's like an ice cream themed one. And so it has 30 pieces, 15 designs. I really like this one because it looks so good and so real. They're like ice cream. Super cute for when summer comes. Okay, so that's all the flake seals, all the sticky notes or page flags, the stickers. So let's do the washi. So this is a cherry blossom washi. I bought one for me, one for my mom. So I love that it looks so realistic, so good, like print. So this is the bigger one, and this is the smaller one. So yeah, one for me, one for my mom. I have like the stickers, like the little Mickey ears, and like I probably should have got another one of these as well, and it's kind of like scalloped, if you could tell. The edges are kind of scalloped. So it's 15 millimeters wide. This one I bought for my mom as well. Like I said, unicorn's her favorite at the moment. This one is also kind of like a birthday. I guess you could say all of the unicorn stuff is kind of like birthday, for like birthday. It has a cake, a rainbow. I think it says something unicorn population. Love. Oh, it says unicorn gratulation. Not sure. I have this one for me. Oh, it goes with the like flakes I had gotten. Let me see. Let me get them. Goes with like this one, I think. So most of the stuff they have, it goes kind of together. And they have like the washi and the stickers and the notepads of each. So this one says cherry lips, XOXO, a kiss, or lips, and cherry. And it's blue with like gold. And then I have this one. I thought it was super random, but like they have a Mexico one. So for my Mexico trips, I could use it. It has like the sugar skulls, the maracas, the guitar, the little bird in the hat. This is Mexico. And then this is like a print. And I think this is like a tequila bottle. Yeah, that's like a tequila bottle with a cactus, a flower, a sombrero. So there's that one. There's this one, super cute pink with gold foil hearts. And then more Disney, Toy Story. And it's kind of like a little ticket. These are like tickets. So it says, this is a perfect time to panic. And then it says, I'm proud of you, cowboy. And I think there's like another one. Yeah, so that one, let me see. It says, this is falling. And the little green alien saying, ooh. So it's a Toy Story. This is the Monsters Inc. And this one is a scallop as well as the, what was it? I forgot which one it was. Oh, the Mickey, I believe it was the Mickey. Yeah. So yeah, these are scalloped. And it's just like one of each monster just going down. And then it's the Winnie the Pooh one, scalloped as well. But this is super cute. Look at him laying down, looking at the little bee. I love the pastel yellow. And then we have this one. It's like a correction tape. So they gave you like an example there. So it's a correction tape of like trees. Like the print comes out as trees. And then, oh, these were really cool. I wish I could have gotten all of them, but like I said, low space in our luggage. So these are like correction tapes, but the color type of tape that comes out is so cool. So this one comes out like a craft tape, like a brown, you know. So this one is black, and I really love this because when you really mess up, like, you know, when you go through the white one and then it doesn't work and it just looks bad, I think the black would be super awesome. And my brother got one as well. And I got these cute little bags. The Daisos I've been here have some kind of like this, but I haven't seen this design. So we have this super cute mini letter set. It's called the mini letter set floral, and I believe it's cherry blossoms in there. It says, feel so good, have a good day, wishing you a day as special as you are. So these are like the little envelopes, and they give you like the little seal stickers, and then this is the note paper you write your note on. I got this for my little cousin for when they go to Mickey. Sorry, I saw the Mickey on there. For when they go to Disney, his mom could pack his little snacks on there. And they're just like little Ziploc bags, you know. Here's the little seal. It's really cute. And I got these for myself. Little floral minis. Cute. spring summer. I got these Annie Pans 5-color pen, and they're really fine tips, so I can't wait to use them and test them out. It's 0.5, and there's like a blush pink, a pastel pink, a pastel blue, a pastel purple. I'm not sure what these are. And this is my, oh no. These are, well, the pink one is my mechanical pencil. That's 0.5 lead. Super cute. This is my brother's pen. He got it because it has 5 colors. Gray, blue, pink, purple, green. It's in a pastel blue color. Oh, and actually it's a pen and mechanical pencil. So it's technically 6 clicks. And this one is, oh, the little bears. 2 of them, and they just come with 3, black, red, and blue. Here's another one of the pencils. I got it from my mom. And then these are for my little cousin. It's a cute pouch. She likes Belle. It's kind of shaped like a little egg. Well, not a little egg, but you know, like an egg. And it's Belle. Really cute design, like a perfume Belle inside of it. And then this is like a makeup pouch, but I got it for her to use as a pencil pouch. It's really big, honestly. It fits quite a lot. And this Ariel one. And that's all of my Daiso haul. If you would like to see anything kind of open, like the flakes or the washies, just let me know down below. Thank you for watching, and this was all purchased at the Daiso Canada in the, I think it's the Aberdeen Mall. I'll double check and write it in the description, and everything was $2. Bye. Hi, this is Editing Me. I just wanted to say a quick disclaimer. All these items were purchased at the Daiso Canada in the beginning of April. I took a trip to Vancouver with my brother, and we, on our last day back, we went to the Daiso Canada, so that's why we didn't have enough room to bring all the stuff I wanted. It's a huge Daiso with 2 stories. It was located at the Aberdeen Centre Mall, really close to the Vancouver airport. Like I said in the video, if you guys want to see anything that I purchased, like the washi or stickers that I said in the video was mine, please let me know in the comments and I'll do that for you. Thank you. Bye.